Hello. In this video, I will show you how to claim free money from Gumroad. Now, it's a very easy process. So, the process that we are going to use is we are going to create PDFs and then we are going to sell our PDFs through different platforms to earn money. Now, before starting all of it, you will need to create a seller's account on Gumroad. So, just simply search for Gumroad, then open the first link. Now, after that, just simply click on Start Selling right over here. And then just simply create a quick account using Google or Facebook. It's a very easy process. Just complete that. Now, once you've completed the sign up process, you will come to this page, something like this. And now the next step is you have to find a PDF that you're going to sell. Now it's a completely free process and you don't even have to use a single penny. All you have to do is simply search for free PLR downloads and then just simply open one of the pages right over here. Let's say, for example, this one over here. Just simply open that. And now just simply choose a product that you would like to sell and you know a little bit about that stuff as well. For the niche, you can just simply take a look right over here and it will give you some printable ebooks. So if you're struggling to find a good niche that you want to do, just simply go to an AI website like ChatGPT and ask the top selling niches in ebooks. So just simply search that and it will give you some good examples. But at the top three, you will always find finance, beauty, and sometimes even crypto or health. So you can pick any one of these as well. All three of them are evergreen niches and will always have a ton of content that you can find. Now, to get a free ebook, just simply go through the ebooks right over here and see which one you like. So in my case, I'm going to go with this one right over here. So click on that. Then close the ads if they are popping up. Now, over here, just simply see what exactly you will be getting. So you will be getting the license of this entire book. Now, if you're thinking if you will violate any copyrights or not. So when it comes to free PLRs, there are no violations because they are giving you full rights to download the product from their website and sell them as your own with your very own branding. And there will be no bad consequences. So you can simply search for free PLRs. There are both free websites and paid websites. You can go and take a look at them and then just have to get what exactly you're looking for and download it. It's that easy. Now in my case, I'm going to download this ebook. So just simply look for the download link, which is right over here. So click on that. And now just simply complete the download process. Now once the download is complete, just simply take a look at that. Now as you can see, I got my ebook right over here and the ebook material is this one right over here. So if you open the ebook, you can also view it. So as you can see right over here, this is a complete ebook. Now, you will also get few extra materials, as you can see right over here. Like for example, the e-cover. So if you want to create a website to sell this ebook, you can have these covers over here. Now, once you have your product, it's time to list them on Gumroad. So what you have to do is, just simply go to Gumroad. Then go to the products page. And as you can see, I already have a product over here. So what you have to do is click on new product. Now choose what type of product you are going to upload. Is it a digital product, a course or a tutorial, a physical good, bundle, membership? Just simply choose what you have. So in my case, it's going to be an ebook. Now for the name, I'm going to pick the same name as the book itself. So just simply copy the name and paste it right over here. Now for the price, I'm going to keep it at $15. Now you can also change the currency if you want to. There are all the currencies available, as you can see. Now once you have done this part, click on next customization. It's time to add some descriptions if you want to. For the description, you can go to the PLR website and just simply copy the description over here. After that, go back to Gumroad and paste the description right over here. And fix it a little bit. Now after that, add a URL name over here. So in my case, the URL will be this particular name over here. Now if you have a custom domain, you can also add that. And after that, it's time to upload your cover. So just choose that. And now we are going to upload the book cover, which you just saw. And it's going to be this one right over here. Now wait for a few seconds. And for the thumbnail, we are going to upload the exact flat file as you can see right over here. After that, you will have a call to action. So just simply pick what you want. Then you can also write a summary over here. And if you want to add additional pages, you can also do that right over here. Now after that, there are more customizing settings that you can see right over here. So if you want to play around with them, you can do that. But for now, it's complete. All you have to do is click on save and continue. And now your listing is alive. In the end, just simply review all the information over here and click on publish and continue. And now your product is now published. Go to home, then go to products over here. And as you can see, your product is now live. As you can see right over here. So if you want to see the customer perspective, click on this preview option. As you can see right over here. After you have your listing live, the next thing is how you're going to get traffic in your listing. So that's the easiest part. All you have to do is just simply go to Instagram and TikTok, and then just simply pick viral content that is related with your niche. Like for example, my niche is self-help because it is a self-help book. So what I have to do is I have to create an Instagram account, or what you can do is you can create an account in all the platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok, and use the content from other people by just simply giving them a little credit in the description. And then you are good to go with the content as well. Just simply post consistently for 3 months, and then you will be able to see results. So to find content is very easy. Let's say for example, motivation. Search that exactly right over here in the panel. #motivation. And then you'll find a lot of videos, as you can see right over here. They will have a lot of views. So all you have to do is just simply download them without watermark and then upload them onto your own channel with your own branding. So after you have a lot of content, keep uploading them on your platforms and make sure to add your product link in your bio or your reels or your post description, and post at least 3 to 4 reels and 2 posts daily on all the platforms. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.